Guys, so my samosa is ready without eating flour, any hard job. Look at that, it's so amazing. Bismillah. So for this recipe, I take mincemeat, wash it, and put it in pan. Add a little bit oil. Add 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Add 2 crushed onion. And now cook for another 5 minutes. 5 potatoes and add it to the mincemeat. And now 4 chili and cook for another 5 minutes. Let's add few masala. So 1 spoon garam masala, 1 spoon haldi powder, 1 spoon mixed masala, 1 spoon cumin seed, 1 spoon chili flakes, half a spoon paprika, and half a spoon black pepper. Mix it. Now cook it under the lid for 15 minutes. Now open the lid after 15 minutes. My minced and potatoes almost ready. And I'm gonna add some coriander now. Mix it again. And my aloo keema is ready now. So now I cool down my mincemeat for like 20 minutes. I take 2 spoons all-purpose flour, add a little bit water, make a smooth paste. And this is I'm using tortilla for my samosa pastry. So my 1 wrap is here. I'm gonna cut it right in the middle and fold it like that. Use your paste. Wrap it here a little bit. Close you like this kind of shape. And now add a couple of spoons of your mixture and then a little bit paste here again and a little bit paste here again and fold it like this. Pinch, fold, and my lovely samosa is ready. And now let's fry our samosas. Let's dish it out. Our lovely easy samosas. Wah, gee, wah. It's bombard.